Hey everyone, it's Mel and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I retain the moisture in my hair as I wear my head wraps for my protective style. If you're interested in this video, just keep on watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and here we go. So first things first, before I even start wrapping my hair, I like to go ahead and lay down my edges depending on the style that I'm doing with my head wrap. And for today's style, my edges will show a little bit, so I just go ahead and lay down my edges. Don't come for me in the comments. I'm not a pro at doing my edges, but I'm still learning, okay? So I lay my edges down for about 10 to 15 minutes. Gotta be where you are. So basically what I do to protect my hair under the head wrap is I use a satin triangle scarf, and I just wrap that around my hair. I use the satin material because it's not going to suck up the moisture from my hair, and also it's not going to damage my head wrap. So the oils that are in my hair won't damage or discolor my head wrap. And after I put that on my hair, I just wrap my hair and I'm good to go.